Oh dear. But it's raining outside. I gotta show her that it's raining, that we can't go out. Hey, just so you guys know, I was up at 6. I mean, that's when I first woke up. And then I just kind of like, oh, let's go back to bed a little bit. Let's go back. I should have just got up and done it. But, you know, I just felt like relaxing for a little bit. Taking some time for myself. Now I'm just going to try to do that one round of running. Because I'm pretty sure she'll be up, so. Pony. I think the rain makes my hair even more, like, puffier. Why do I look like I have red hair? What? By the way, I love red hair. And my daughter kind of has strawberry blonde hair, and I hope that never changes. I kind of want her to be like that. And listen, nothing against red hair. By the way. Oh, look. What? There's more. Oh boy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Okay, so it's different now. The app's kind of changed. So now what they wanted me to do is just do 2 sets of running blocks, 22 minutes each. Yeah.
Train. Airplane. Vehicles.
Okay. She ate the crust and all the crunchy parts around it. But she didn't eat all the good stuff. She left all the good stuff. My hair looks brown again. Maybe not. Is my hair brown? Don't know. Sorry, it's still kind of wet. I don't know. I guess it's kind of brown. It's like multiple colors in here. By the way, look. It's my Mother's Day balloon. It's coming. It's turning. Look what it says. Oh, it just says Happy Mother's Day. I thought it said Best Mom Ever. Okay. Got the first run done. I'm just gonna check on her, make sure she's okay, and then we'll see. She's still okay, so I'm gonna continue. She must have just woken up a little bit too early and I was taking like a little power nap, so I'm gonna continue because I don't know if this power nap is gonna affect her nap later. So I'm just gonna start, keep monitoring her. I have another lap of 20 minutes to go. Let's see if I do more. There's a part of me that wants to do a little bit more just because, you know, anyway, I don't want to waste some talking right now. We'll talk later. Okay.
Pets. Fish.
Chicken. Potatoes. Dried strawberries. Have you watched that video yet? Dried strawberries. Potatoes. Chicken. Mess. Oh dear. Let's roast these potatoes. She doesn't deserve it because she made a mess out of my kitchen floor while I was cooking, but what can you do? Blueberry. Blueberry on pans. Gotta go change them. The culprit. Mellow. Green peas. Hello.
debating right now if I should just go downstairs and do another 10 minutes of running, just so that like I'm being consistent with the amount of time that I've been doing, or should I just trust the app and just go with what it wants me to do right now? Because there's obviously a reason. I don't know, like part of me is like, oh, just go take a shower and just like relax, you know? Part of me is like, because I'm looking at my Fitbit, and so far this morning I have done 8.5 kilometers. So I'm like, part of me is like, well, you're so close to 10, like just go do another 10 minutes. Like it's not gonna hurt. Oh, what do I do, guys? What do I do? So I did it. I did 5 minutes of running, 5 minutes of walking, and another 5 minutes of running with a little bit of a cool down at the end. And yeah, I got to 10 kilometers for this morning with all my everything I did, and I got to my 11 laps that I normally do, so I'm glad I did it. Now, much needed shower.
Cat, cat. Meow. Guinea pig. Cat. Meow. Rabbit.
Please get the lion in. Please get the lion in. Please do it. Please. Please do it. Woohoo! Lion! The ducky's head. Wash, 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 wash the ducky's head. You're gonna wash your toes and your feet. Wash, wash, wash your toes. Wash your toes. Wash, 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 wash your toes today.
One reason why I love getting my runs in the morning is like it's only 8 o'clock right now and I've already done 7K. So I mean, that's awesome, and like it pushes me to do more today. Like I feel like I've achieved something already. Let's get it done. Let's get more things done. So works for me, gets me going. Yeah.
Well, that's another day done. The rain has finally